some rice and peas and curry shrimp. Some canned peas, canned coconut milk. You know we do it here in foreign, you know. Yeah, lazy man cooking. So that's what we do today for Sunday. Shrimp look nice with some little potato. Tastes nice. I don't know how it look. That is it. Oh no, my little presentation I mash up. Come on, don't do me that. Mr. Man really presentate stuff. Alright, we can just slide the shrimp around like that. Turn him like that. Slide the shrimp around like that. Yes. Slide the shrimp around like that.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Shrimp on the side, rice and peas in the middle.